Now we're going to click power on after I've got no video signal. We had a couple of green blinks, a couple more. So the video card's turned on. Okay, let's power it up. We'll check the network. Network's not up yet. Taking longer. There we go. Ubiquity Robotic DC3D. We'll hit that. We won't connect automatically. Hit connect. And it is security key instead, because we don't have a router to copy it off of. And the password is robots everywhere. Next. Just waiting for the connection. And we are connected secured, but there's no internet because it's the Wi-Fi hotspot from the robot. Secured. I'm going to type in CMD. SSH. And it still won't connect. That's not very nice. Address. I'm going to try SSH into Ubuntu at 10.42.0.1. Password is Ubuntu. Okay, I'm in. Don't know why it won't let me go into the local.